Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today is a video that is long awaited for. Eryn is giving me a makeover, people.
Round of applause, round of applause.
I'm scared. Eryn has never really done my full face of makeup before.
I'm kind of scared.
Do you have a plan?
I have a picture of an eyeshadow look I want to do.
Okay, so there is some.
So I'm going to be going based off that. Face makeup, I don't know. We're just going to be playing around. They're my canvas.
She's also going to be doing my hair and outfit.
He's excited. I'm really excited.
Well, I'm glad you are because I'm a little nervous, but I think this video is going to be super fun.
I'll make you look like trash.
All right, guys, I guess subscribe, if you want to be a part of our YouTube fam. And we'll go ahead and jump right in.
So I either want to do this.
Jesus Christ, that does not look easy.
Or something like that. But that also looks very difficult.
Okay, so she wanted to do a look like this. Gorgeous, we love that. Or like that. Wowzer, look at that. So it's up to you, E. You did pick two difficult looks.
So neither of them I would have to do eyeliner with.
a little bit.
Neither of these looks I have to do eyeliner with, so that's kind of like a yes.
I think you should do the blue look. I think that is something I can help guide you, and I think you could do.
I'm gonna get the blue eyeshadow and the sparkles.
I'll
Sparkles.
help you. I would prime the eye.
With like a white primer.
Here, I can guide you.
She helps guide y'all.
A little goes a very long way.
I know with this. This product's kind of evil.
I gave her the ABH eye primer.
Here we go, y'all.
Do you want to look at the picture again?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like a little kid.
You are a little kid some days.
Sounds pretty shady. What? This didn't really do much?
It really helps the eyeshadow grip.
Oh, I thought it was just to make it white.
Eryn is extremely rough, so just look forward to me telling her multiple times in this video.
I'm not rough.
You're so rough.
Was I rough right then?
Yes, I thought I was gonna lose my vision. Okay, this brush, it's so big and fluffy. This stuff is gonna fling. You're gonna have a nightmare. Yes, that's great.
I'm gonna go in very lightly. Oh, we should tell them what we're using.
Oh my god!
We're using shade Cobalt by LauraLee Los Angeles.
So this is Cobalt Cat. These are single shadows if you haven't seen them.
I might mix in this little blue at the edge.
Crystal C and Cobalt Cat. And you guys can use code LLLA20 for 20% off. Wow. Okay, the commercial's over. You can continue.
I shall continue.
Okay.
My aunt. I'm kind of scared.
Just go for it and be brave. You can also take a makeup wipe, Eryn, and etch it and go and clean that up.
Well, imagine I just leave it like this.
Wow, YouTube videos are so easy whenever I'm not doing the makeup.
Don't you love it?
I'm just literally chilling here doing nothing, making content.
Don't look.
I'm gonna be able to see it. You almost dipped into the brown, crazy.
I know. I had to make it darker. Oh Lord, we're getting dark.
You can even get a new brush if you want to use a smaller pencil brush if you want to get precise, or you can keep using the same brush.
Hold on.
You could have also picked a neutral look.
This couldn't be boring.
Okay.
I want to make this a good look, but I'm scared. I hate it.
Oh Lord. You hate it?
Yeah.
Eryn, I'll let you take it off this one time and start fresh.
No, I don't think I'm going to take it off. I just need to figure out what to do. Don't you just love this?
It's all a learning process.
All right, I'm not done. I'm not done, y'all. Open eye. I'm just going to...
It's coming together.
It's coming together.
It is.
I'm not giving up. You know what I just realized? I have another eye to do.
That's the thing with makeup. You have to do two eyes.
No! We're just doing a one eye.
A one eye look today.
Actually, I need even smaller. Don't ask. Wow, people just be this artistic and good at makeup. It's impressive. So I think I need to buff it out right here to make it.
You can just lightly take it on the edge.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that's good.
What if I made it like a messy, euphoric look? Euphoria.
So, okay, I'm down.
Okay. All right. Let's start getting hype. Do makeup wipes not hurt your eye?
No.
They'd be hurting me. I think I want to add these.
Yeah, those are the easier glitters. She is using the Heavy Metal liner and spandex. It's like a blue glitter.
I like it. It's just so beautiful and glittery. Oh yeah, we adding more, baby. Make this eye pure glitter. Look at the camera. Okay. I kind of like it. I kind of like it.
It's really pretty.
I think
It looks really cool.
I'm done with this side.
Okay, you're gonna come do this side?
Should I add more sparkles? I'm doing it. You cannot stop the sparkles.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do this eye, and we'll be right back. I don't know what I did to Eryn to piss her off.
Oh, and then I'm gonna add some red lipstick. Oh, heck yeah!
They can't see you.
Okay, good.
What is happening to my face?
Trust the
I
process.
have lost all faith.
I see. I kind of want to do liner. All right.
Now liner.
Yeah.
Liner. Okay.
Liner's gonna fix it.
It's gonna fix it, y'all.
Girl, just go for it. Look at the rest of my eye.
Wait.
Do you want me to help you do wing liner by telling you what to do?
No.
Okay.
I hate it. What am I supposed to do?
You want me to help you fix it?
Ooh, yeah. Before I wipe off the whole eye. Fix it!
You sure you don't want to start fresh?
No. So, Laura's gonna... Should I tell them?
If you get down in here so it's not just a voice.
So, Laura's gonna do her eyeliner.
I'm just gonna help out.
Because I can't do it.
It's okay though. But you should watch and learn.
Guys, I hate this.
Do you want me to take it off?
No, I don't want to restart. Nope, we're not restarting. I can work with this.
Watch how I come back. You just bring it back. Drawing the wing. You know what I mean?
I have never been so impressed in my life.
Well, then a lot of you have experienced a lot of things.
That is so impressive.
Okay, well. Oops, it bled.
I think it kind of adds a cool effect.
All right.
If you can do that to the other eye, that'd actually be pretty cool. I don't think it looks that bad. It doesn't. It's just not for you.
Okay, Eryn, you may continue.
All right, face makeup. Face makeup. We're priming.
Glossy or face primer.
You ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do like light, smooth, little motions. Your skin's really tight.
Tight.
Like it's nice.
Dry.
No, maybe it's because I have like chubby cheeks, so I'm used to like my face doing.
My face is hard and bony.
Yeah.
That's why.
Close lip. Yeah. God, it's so weird doing someone else's makeup. I think this is my first time doing someone else's makeup.
Really?
Or like fully, yeah. All right, I think that's enough.
Okay.
All right, so now me and Laura both love this foundation a lot. I'm not really full coverage like Laura.
You can use less then. Do whatever.
I especially don't want to hide up your pretty freckles.
Okay.
I love your freckles. You see? And then that's just too much. I should probably use another brush now. All right. God, your baby hairs.
I know I have so many.
They're not bad though. They just be getting in the way. God, this is so weird. I can't believe you would like just do other people's makeup. Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now it's time for concealer.
She's using the Hourglass Vanish Concealer.
Yes. Oh, she looked cute. I did a little mustache.
Use that brush now.
See, doing eyeshadow before makeup is like kind of hard because you have to work around it.
Mm-hmm.
But then like if you do makeup first, then there could
Gets
be
messed up.
fallout. It's so difficult. It's like, which one am I gonna mess with?
Well, if you're ever doing a more colorful look you want to do, always do the foundation after.
I'm gonna blend out more. Don't worry. I just leave it all unblended. Girl, you are what? Yeah.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
Well, no, you just powder and then you bronze. bronze it up. All right, darling, powder.
All right. Do you do spray after powder?
Mm-hmm.
Your face is cakey. I'm sorry. You see, I'm judging myself, not you.
Yeah.
I'm going to get a beauty blender. So I'm now just going to get a beauty blender and try to buff it out so she's not so cakey. I'm trying to be light so that you say I'm like...
You're doing great.
Thanks. God, your baby hairs. I love them with my entire life because they're just so cute. And they really can make hairstyles come together. But can you pat this underneath your eye?
Mm-hmm. Honey, you gotta put powder because it's gonna keep creasing. That's why you do powder quickly. So when you're doing makeup, you don't want your concealer to get creasy. And then you take the sponge and you put the powder in. So that sets everything like that. You probably need more powder.
Yeah. Here. Now we can go ahead and bronze.
Here is a bronzer.
I hate this brush. I'm sorry. I like this big fluffy one. Really get into there. Especially since I made you so pale. We're gonna have to bring the life back up.
Bring the life back up.
Bring her back to life.
Bring our girl home.
Bring our girl home. I cannot.
We quote Peter's mom off The Bachelor literally all the time.
I can't get it out of my head.
Bring her home.
She tried it.
That woman is something.
I'm crying.
No, but you gotta stop doing this. This is insane right now.
Yeah, look at you coming back to life. I love it.
She loves it. And that, my friends, is beauty.
She is beauty.
Okay. Thanks, we're good.
She is grace. Blush?
So for blush, we're going to be using Persona's Caramel.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Give me that low nose.
Mm.
You are doing my makeup.
Mm.
Oh my God, we use bronzer with that. Hit your girl up if you want me to do your makeup. God, you are a mess.
I'm a mess.
Yeah. Guys, don't let me do your makeup. Don't let me do your makeup. Lordy, child.
Let me show you how to use a brush. So you go like this with the brush. You can go like that. You're going like this. And so when you use makeup brushes, use the point. Well, I'm just trying to help for the future. So that way whenever
You got powder on your face.
your blush looks terrible, people cannot put that on me. Because they saw in the video.
My
Me
blush
tell
will
you.
never look terrible.
Girl, enough blush. Eryn, I look like the Drew Carey lady with all this blush.
Yes!
Okay.
All right.
Highlight.
Highlight. Can you get me highlight? This is one of my favorite highlights after LauraLee Los Angeles
She
Glaze
has to-
palette. Don't you dare try to give me a fan brush. All right, now this is my favorite. The tip of the nose. Oh yeah! All right, then just get a little brush. All right, you want to do mascara?
I'll do mascara.
So I don't stab her eye out. All right, so she did mascara. She put her lashes on. I love it. Now I'm just gonna do the brows. So first I'm gonna get the Glossier Boy Brow. And I'm just gonna brush her little eyebrows up. Didn't mean to say little. I'm sorry. That was kind of shady. Yeah, I love fluffy brows. You know what I'm jealous of? Your bottom lashes.
Oh. Well, I'll trade you my bottom lashes for your top lashes.
All right.
It's not a good deal, Eryn.
My top lashes are awful right now. So.
No, they're not.
I was gonna put gel, but I think your brows are fine with just this, which is beautiful. So I guess when that dries, we can do lips. I kind of want to do nude, shouldn't I?
Yeah, probably.
All right, first time doing lips. I love it. I'm not gonna overline because you have good lips. Does this make you nervous?
No.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Well, it should. Well, I should definitely make you nervous. Can you do that again on your lip? That makes it like 10 times easier. And then I'm gonna get a nude lipstick.
You may help you.
Yes, and reach for it. Right, nudie. Your lips are kind of Yes! Now I'm gonna get the MAC lip gloss. We love gloss. Oh my god.
A lot of gloss. Good. We got.
Oh, it looks so pretty on camera.
Yes.
Alright. Now,
Okay.
I kind of don't even want to do your brows.
We like brows as are.
Yeah.
Okay. Well then, I think hair's next.
Yep.
All right. What's she gonna do with the hair?
Let me get a brush. Since your hair is already straight, I'm not going to do much to it.
Okay. Any clips or anything cool?
I might do a couple clips. And then I'll just go with the outfit based off your makeup and clips.
Okay.
And just like that, we're done. Let me get the clips.
Ooh.
I like these.
Okay.
Very nice, classy look.
We got some jewels.
Oh, so cute.
I'm getting one on this side.
Yep. Let me make sure they're even. Girl.
You know what I look like?
A little kid.
A 30-year-old trying to be a little kid.
Yes. I love it. All right, guys. Hair, makeup, done. Who's ready for the outfit?
Let's go. Outfit, Miss Weaver.
All right, so first I think we should just get over with shirts. Pants are pretty easy, just like a pair of jeans.
Can we do jean shorts?
Yes.
I'm just kidding. I can do whatever.
No, it's hot. If I see you in jeans, I might.
Yeah, it's like so hot, guys. All right, my girl Eryn is down to shoes. She's picking out some sneakers. I got rid of like most of my sneakers.
Yes, good job. And I think I'm just gonna make you a teeny bopper, and we're gonna go with the plain Air Forces. All right, here she is. Finished outfit. We got the Air Forces, jean shorts, cute little button-up shirt with her little blue eyeshadow look. And I love it. I think it's really cute with the little purse. Oh, she's cute. She's trendy. She's a little teeny bopper.
I love the look. I think the face makeup looks amazing. Eyeshadow needs a little work.
Definitely needs some work.
But I think everything else is amazing. I think you did an amazing job. And I really love the outfit. I'll probably wear this outfit out, actually.
Oh, yes. She likes it.
It's really cute. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Give this video a thumbs up for all of Eryn's hard work. We love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.